Welcome to how to insert specific values in a prompt. Let's get started. So sometimes only specific values are needed in a prompt and not the whole set. So for example, you want to use a recruiter name prompt, but only want a list of particular set of recruiters to show in that prompt and not all of them. Well, how would we go about creating that? So first, let's start building a report. We're just going to do really simple fields such as recruiter ID, recruiter name, number of submissions. So let's just start with bringing the rec ID. I'm going to bring the rec title. We're going to bring in recruiter name. And we're going to bring in number of submissions. Now we're going to create our prompt for recruiter name. So we're going to go to the prompts tab, click on the green plus sign, select column prompt and recruiter name. And our recruiter name is set to choice list. We're going to leave it as is, and we're just going to click on OK. Let me first start by saving this report. I will call this test prompt. Click on OK. So just to show you the difference on the before and after, I will just go to catalog, go to my test prompt report, click on open. And if here I expand recruiter name, we can see that the full list will be presented. I can go to more search to have more recruiters show up in that list. But I only want a specific set of recruiters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit. I will go back to my prompts tab. I will select recruiter name. We'll edit. Now here, and let me state that whether it's a prompt for a dashboard or a report, it's essentially going to be the exact same thing. So we're just going to expand the options sections here. And here you see choice list values are currently set to all column values. So we're going to just change that to specific columns. We will click on the plus sign. And here is where I can select my specific recruiters. So let's do that. I will just select 3 here. Click on OK. And I will click on OK, and I will save my report. Now, if I go back to catalog and I go back to my test prompt report and I click on open, now if I expand the recruiter name section, as you can see, I only see the 3 recruiters I selected. So if I were to select just myself, for example, and click on OK, so the whole report will now be filtered on my requisitions and the number of submissions associated to my requisitions. So I hope this video was helpful to you on how to create specific values from within a prompt. Have a great day.